is Ricardo here from EFX Pro Media. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with Cart Identifier, installing and using it in the best practices I can recommend. To get started, you want to head to the documentation of Cart Assistant. So basically we are at the stage here that you downloaded this app and you already installed it in your site. Yeah, so heading down here to your Cart Identifier instructions. And we have two methods here that you can get it started. One is using the admin code editor, and you can go to Site Manager, Module Templates, Online Shop Layouts, and your shopping cart. And alternatively, you can use the SFTP client, in such case as Dreamweaver, and you go head into Layouts, Online Shop, Shopping Cart, and your Country Cart. Okay. So once you have the template open and everything is ready to edit, you just go and copy this code. And just to make sure that you can go ahead and get this correctly installed, make sure that your website is already with Liquid enabled in your beta settings. And you want to make sure also that you follow these steps here on how to build a Liquid powered shopping cart. So this is these are some instructions on how to get your shopping cart created and using Liquid to render your products. In order for Cart Identifier to work properly, you need to follow this tutorial here and create your shopping summary and render your products using a Liquid tag. Okay, so we copy this code and we're gonna go ahead and open up here. In this case, today I'm gonna show you how to use that in Dreamweaver. Basically the same. If you follow these steps here, you're going to achieve the same result. So in this case here, I have my cart open here, which is the Great Britain. I have in this case two shopping cart summary here. And in this case, I have my GB for the UK one. So if you follow the tutorial there and created your loop for the product rendering in the cart summary, in this case here, I'm using foundation layout. So you can see that my product is wrapped around this call out here, which is inside of a 12 grid column. And following just the way I laid out here is I have the product information up to this level here and a separator here using an HR tag. And I've got the cart identifier inside of a 12 grid column here again. So basically I pasted that code that I copied from there, from the Cart Identifier instructions, and I pasted it here. So basically that's all you have to get to do here to get the app started. And a best way that I like to use this app is to cross-sell and offer promotions for certain products. So in this case here that I did is I created a few products that have a certain message. So basically each message here shows some awareness to the customer of what the product can offer once it's found inside of the cart. So in this case here I have created a bulk offer price here for this product. And what this does is the product current price is at £20.99 per unit. What I did is I enabled here the volume discount and I put here quantity threshold is 2. So basically when this product reaches 3 in quantity in the cart, the sale price will go to this number here. So we can do here as well, going to threshold to, let's put here 5, and we're going to make it even cheaper. And there you go, let's save that. Right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to get started again with this product here. So just to see how it works. So basically click here, create a new product identifier. When this window opens, what you can do is just search any of your products that you have in your database. And these at the moment searches up to 500 products in your catalog. And we're further updating this section to load up to 1,000 products from your catalog. So what we're going to do here is just look for the product, dress cordon. There you go. So that will just give you a preview of what the product is. And what we're going to do is buy 3, get £3 off. Buy 5, you get, so 5, 18, you get £6 off. If I'm sure here, yeah. So buy 5, get £6 off. Your purchase. So I'm gonna save this resource, and that's gonna load down here again. So what I'm gonna do is I'll go back to my website, and in this case here I'll basically just clear this up back to 1. Yep, so basically that's the price here of the product at the unit, and I'm going to start adding here. Oh, there you go. That's the message here that I've actually inserted there. So I identified this product in the cart and basically added some other message here based on that product that I identified. So 3, there you go. The product is already $19.99. There you go. I've got my discount here, £3 off. Basically that will come out on your end here. So let's go for 5. Oh, there you go, 5. Boom. There you go. So you've got here some discount just to show that this is something completely out of the different here. So I'm gonna go and add something else here like flashes. But I'll add this product here basically just to show that we've got some different messages as well going on here. So I've added this product here to my cart. There you go. Let's fill and edit the cart, and there you go. These flashes are a great match for best value Mackenzie kill. Let's go there and check this kill. So got here. Oh, there you go. This is exactly like my product that I see in my cart. So I'm gonna add this one to my cart as well. Let's say I'm a big chubby guy. Like, oh, sorry. There you go. So there you go. We've got there a great match product there. So I referenced this product here to look for this one inside of my cart, and this one here was added because I wanted to buy this product, and this one here got some great discount because by showing here somebody that they could get a lot more advantage adding more quantities and get a better price for this product. And there you go, ready to check out. Hope guys you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any other questions, please post down this video here. And for more information, you can head down to EFX Pro Medium, Cart Assistant Pro, web dedicated app page. And here basically there's some information more on how the app works and latest updates on latest functionalities. So basically this is a note here as well. The Cart Identifier requires Cart Assistant Pro 1.1.3, and you can update and install. They'll take you to the App Store to update you up there. A little screenshots of every other functionality there. If you subscribe down the bottom here to receive news and updates about this app, I'll keep you posted of everything that happens within this app. And it's great. It's great to hear what people are thinking about this app. Guys, keep me updated on everything that happens and how you come across to your quests and everyday e-commerce. Let me know, and I can post here any solutions that you may think that it's useful using this app. Thank you.